The joy of growing. Unearth your green thumb. Gardening is a timeless activity that connects us to the earth and brings a sense of accomplishment and joy. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, there's always something new to learn and experience in the garden. Have you ever yearned for the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes straight from your garden? There's nothing quite like the burst of flavor from a tomato that's been nurtured and grown with your own hands. The satisfaction of harvesting your own produce is unparalleled. Imagine the scent of fresh herbs wafting through your kitchen window. Fresh basil, rosemary, and mint can transform your cooking and bring a touch of nature indoors. Growing herbs is a simple and rewarding way to start your gardening journey. Home gardening offers a world of flavor, fragrance, and fulfillment. From vibrant flowers to nutritious vegetables, your garden can be a sanctuary of beauty and bounty. The act of tending to your plants can be meditative and deeply satisfying. It's easier than you think to cultivate your own little piece of paradise. With a bit of planning and care, you can create a thriving garden that brings joy and sustenance. Start small and gradually expand as you gain confidence and experience. In this essay, we'll explore simple steps and handy tips to transform you from a novice to a confident gardener. We'll cover everything from choosing the right plants for your space to understanding soil health and watering techniques. With the right knowledge, you'll be well on your way to a flourishing garden. Let's get started on this rewarding journey together. Gardening can be a wonderful family activity, bringing people together and creating lasting memories. Involve your loved ones in the process and share the joy of watching your garden grow. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a connection to nature, a source of fresh food, and a wonderful way to relax and de-stress. The rhythmic tasks of planting, watering, and weeding can be incredibly therapeutic, providing a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a sunny windowsill, there's a gardening style perfect for you. Container gardening, vertical gardening, and indoor gardening are all great options for those with limited space. The key is to find what works best for your environment and lifestyle. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's dig in. The world of gardening is vast and full of possibilities. With a bit of curiosity and a willingness to get your hands dirty, you'll discover the joys of growing your own plants and creating a green oasis. Happy gardening! Selecting your garden stars. Finding the perfect plants. Choosing the right plants is crucial for a successful garden. Start by considering your local climate. Some plants thrive in warm weather, while others prefer cooler temperatures. Next, think about your available space. If you have limited room, opt for compact varieties or vertical gardening techniques. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try growing different types of plants to discover what flourishes best in your garden. The dirt on soil. Understanding your garden's foundation. Soil is the lifeblood of your garden. It is the medium in which your plants anchor their roots and draw essential nutrients and water. Without healthy soil, your plants cannot thrive. It provides essential nutrients and support for your plants. The quality of your soil directly impacts the health and productivity of your garden. Rich, well-structured soil promotes robust root growth and helps retain moisture. Before you start planting, it's important to understand your soil type. Different plants have different soil preferences, and knowing your soil's characteristics can help you choose the right plants and amendments. You can conduct a simple soil test to determine its pH level and composition. Soil pH affects nutrient availability, and knowing whether your soil is acidic, neutral, or alkaline can guide your fertilization and amendment choices. Adding organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, can improve soil structure and fertility. Organic matter enhances soil's ability to retain moisture and nutrients, creating a more hospitable environment for plant roots. A healthy soil will reward you with healthy plants. By investing time and effort into understanding and improving your soil, you set the stage for a thriving garden that will yield bountiful harvests and beautiful blooms. Water wisely. Quenching your garden's thirst. Water is the lifeblood of your garden, and knowing how to water wisely can make all the difference in the health and vibrancy of your plants. Proper watering is essential for plant growth. Overwatering can suffocate roots, leading to root rot and other diseases that can be detrimental to your plants. On the other hand, underwatering can lead to wilting and stunted growth, leaving your plants weak and unable to thrive. The key is to water deeply and less frequently. This method ensures that water reaches the deeper roots, promoting stronger and healthier growth. By encouraging roots to grow deeper into the soil, your plants become more resilient to drought and other stressors. Always feel the soil with your fingers to determine if it's dry before watering. This simple test can prevent overwatering and ensure your plants get just the right amount of moisture. Remember, different plants have different water requirements. Some plants, like succulents, need very little water, while others, like vegetables, may need more frequent watering. So it's best to research their specific needs. Understanding the unique requirements of each plant in your garden will help you provide the optimal care they need to flourish. Consider using efficient watering systems like drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing waste and ensuring your plants get the moisture they need. Additionally, mulching your garden beds can help retain soil moisture, reduce evaporation, and keep your plants hydrated for longer periods. With these tips, you can quench your garden's thirst effectively, ensuring a lush, vibrant, and thriving garden all season long. Section 5. Troubleshooting for beginners. Conquering common challenges. Every gardener faces challenges, especially beginners. Don't be discouraged if you encounter pests, diseases, or other problems. There are many natural and organic solutions available. For example, you can use insecticidal soap to control aphids, or introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs to your garden. Remember, prevention is key. Regularly inspect your plants for early signs of trouble. Section 6. Did you know? Fun facts for budding gardeners. Did you know that talking to your plants can actually help them grow? Studies have shown that plants respond to sound vibrations. Also, did you know that the heaviest pumpkin ever recorded weighed over 2,700 pounds? That's bigger than a small car. Gardening is full of fascinating facts and surprises. Section 7. From Seed to Supper. Your gardening journey begins today. Ready to embark on your gardening adventure? Start small and gradually expand your garden as you gain experience. Choose plants that you enjoy and that will thrive in your climate. Remember to be patient, as gardening is a journey of learning and discovery. The rewards of fresh air, delicious food, and the satisfaction of nurturing life are well worth the effort. Section 8. Green Thumb Chronicles. Share your gardening adventures. We'd love to hear about your gardening experiences. Share your successes, challenges, and any tips you've picked up along the way. Gardening is a community, and we can all learn from each other. Let's inspire and support one another on our gardening journeys. Section 9. And the award for greenest thumb goes to your pet. Yes, you read that right. While you've been diligently tending your garden, your furry friend has been secretly fertilizing it in their own special way. On that note, happy gardening, and may your harvests be bountiful and your pets well behaved.